is Trigger Strasberg of Humble Designs. Come on, get up here, Trigger. Scoop down here. Now, Trigger used to rescue small animals in her backyard as a child. But you know what she does today? She helps families who once were homeless furnish their new homes. And somebody like Mrs. Lewis knows the importance of something like that. Though she grew up in San Diego and lived in Manhattan for a time, she adopted to our Metro Detroit area of a generous spirit and a big heart. So Humble Design started because Trigger had a friend who had fallen in hard times. And to help, she asked around for donations to furnish her friend's home. Thus, she and a friend started Humble Design, and have since furnished over 200 families, 12 different homeless shelters in the Tri-County area. So I think that's a big round of applause. Trigger, I know we at Lighthouse are grateful for the creative community spirit we find in women like you. And I can only imagine how grateful a former homeless 3-year-old must feel because they may have gone to bed in their own bed for the first time because of someone like you. So we honor you with our wonderful Spirit Award here. I want to pull it out because it's absolutely gorgeous, like you. So it's, what we have engraved in it is the Lighthouse building and her name. And thank you so much, Trigger.